In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through wall ball with a medicine ball, and I'm going to be showing you two different variations of how you can do wall ball. So the first version is all about cardiovascular benefit, improving explosive power. We're going to be throwing the ball whilst coming out of a squat onto the wall, catching the ball, and then coming back down into the squat and repeating for our desired amount of sets and repetitions. So this is the type of ball that if I drop it, it will bounce. Now, this type of ball is what you want to be using, or even a Pilates ball, if you're just working on that cardiovascular benefit with wall ball. So what I want you to do, you want to take a step back, feet hip width apart. I've got my hands underneath the ball. And from here, what I'm going to do is keep my elbows into my sides. I'm going to sit back into my squat. And as I come out of my squat, I'm going to throw the ball, catch it, bring the elbows in, and repeat for my desired amount of sets and repetitions. Now, if I had a medicine ball like this, or if I dropped it, it would just stay on the floor, you're better off doing the second version. So I wouldn't recommend one of these medicine balls that sticks to the floor if you're doing that first version. With heavier weights, if you're really looking to work on explosive power, this type of medicine ball, the one that sticks to the floor, is fantastic. So, second variation, we're not going to be catching it because again, we're going to be using that hypothetical of this being a lot heavier. We're going to start off with this on the floor. Again, same position, feet hip width apart, toes pointed slightly out. I'm going to get this off the floor with a nice straight back, chest up. Come into my start position, same as before. When I throw, I'm not going to catch it. I'm going to come back down into my start position, and I'm really going to focus on that explosive power, really trying to generate power when I do the movement. So there's two versions there of wall ball that you can do to start implementing into your workouts. That's how you do wall ball, and you repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.